Hi, welcome to Roger's Yard number 6. Just want to start a little bit of a feeding frenzy. Come on guys, go for it. Made it out to the Swans Water Gardens. Really nice. It's way far out south, but really nice. Go out there, pick up some water hyacinth and a pink, brilliantly pink lily pad. Was real happy with their prices. It was a huge lily pad pot. I think I'm going to love the color. It's hardy, so I'll hopefully have it year after year. So I'm just real pleased. Just to let you know, the last film clip will be the birds, and it's so cute. Because at the end, one of the birds sticks her bottom over the side of the nest and poops. I mean, it was just hilarious. So, I'm going to show you some blossom blooming. I'm going to show you some bird pictures and all about my yard. See ya. Well, look at this. Look how big they've gotten in 2 days. You know another 2 days or two, so they're going to be gone. I do enjoy nature. Back when kids wanted to be firemen or policemen, I wanted to be a forest ranger. Didn't pan out, but it sure have been a cool life. And also, think how smart this bird is. It's out of the rain, it's out of the wind, and first flight can't go real well. So look when the birds take off, what they're going to run into. I bet you I'd be a lot softer than concrete or stone. So they'll probably be gone another 2 or 3 days. I'll try and catch them one more time. It's bloom time. It's windy, but I wanted to share these with you. I'll have more, but they come and go so quickly. I have to drag the wife out here. Let her enjoy them too. Well, we'll wait for some more to pop, and I'll take some more pictures. The sun is shining, the wind is not blowing. It is a gorgeous day. Everybody's out cutting their yards. A lot of activity. Did want to get back to the garden. Got it planted. I like to use steel rebarb for my poles. They last forever. They've got all sorts of niches so the ties tie on real well, so it just works well for me. And I don't know if you remember, but when I first showed this, I got it planted, I put Epsom salts around every plant. That's to add magnesium to the soil. I will fertilize with Miracle Grow, and that's about it. I did add cow manure and some ground up leaves to it earlier in the year. So I'm ready to go. Just, I need sunshine, I need warmth, and I think I'll probably get a bale of straw and mulch it down real heavily. I won't pull weeds, but that means I'll pull grass. But that's part of the trade-offs. I did want to show you the garden's up and going. 13 plants. I've got big boys, better boys, a couple of celebrities, and I think 3 or 4 jet stars. I was shooting for 15. I think I ended up with 13. I'm going to skip onions this year. I'm going to try and space them out a little bit more, see how it works. So I just love a hobby that you can eat. Check out my little Henry sweet spire. That's going to be flowering out here another week. I'll get a close-up and show you. Hostas are all jumping up nicely. You can see where I've transplanted some of the lily of the valley from the front. And I have dentures now, and I'm learning how to talk. You won't believe how awkward it feels. And looks like the petunias are about to bloom. That's another wife's plant type thing. And the endless summer hydrangea is starting to come out. So, progressing nicely. Here is my Pachysandra now that I've thinned the lily of the valleys out. Ooh, look how that one hides back there. But I love the Pachysandra, so I didn't want to have it overrun. Still got plenty of lily of the valleys. Plus, check out Big Blue. See what I mean about just taking over and dominating? I love it. We have been unusually hot and dry. We normally get a lot more rain. We are really far behind, but I think the tomato plants love it. So hopefully I won't get drowned out like I have in past years. But just wanted to show you, they're all coming along nicely. Expecting rain tonight. If not, I'll be out tomorrow and give them a good drink of water. Gotta get out and get some straw sometimes. I can mulch them down. But so many things to do and so little time when you're retired. Well, my little birdies are getting bigger and bigger. I've been waiting about 10 minutes. I think Mom and Dad can see me here in the window. But they, finally. Not that they can hear me. Ooh, somebody's hungry. Everybody's hungry. Okay, I get a kick out of these things. This is just off my front porch. What a great way to wrap up number 6. Hey, I'm wondering if this isn't the female, because isn't the males normally, brightly colored? So as a guess, I don't know. Guess what I ought to do is look it up on the internet. But this is a wrap to number 6. Hope you like it. Everything's come along just great. A little bit more rain would be nice, but you take what you get. And we'll see you next time. Bye.